Based on the data gathered, the sorting hub employs pneumatic arms to segregate the populations into 3 distinct lanes. The advanced climate control modules are calibrated to maintain the precise thermal gradient required for the hognose snake morphs. The automated hydration cycle, or Process A, delivers a fine spray, mimicking natural dew crucial for the western hognose snake.
Deviation detected on the rearing curve. Process A305.
Acknowledged. Implementing thermal adjustment sequence immediately.
As you can see, this robust juvenile is developing optimal muscle mass and agility, factors crucial for breeding success here in Process A.
We are very pleased with the progress check. This demonstrates the superior temperament of our Process A output.
In these stations. The robotic arms install naturalistic hides and climbing structures, providing. We monitor the mass continuously. Any unexpected loss triggers an immediate health alert, though this trajectory looks promising. After a successful shed, the Process Western hognose snake specimens are briefly transferred to a post-molt inspection bay equipped with full-spectrum lighting.
Excellent response. The snake meets the elite behavioral standards, recording a final score of 10.
These custom-designed, thermally insulated wooden crates are specifically engineered for safe transport.
The process of documentation is complete on the drive.
We confirm the manifest. Signing off on the transfer of custody.
Scene 68. The laser caliper confirms the juvenile western hognose meets the ideal pet size, signaling it is ready for packaging.
High-speed thermal printers generate large batch certificates and general health declarations required for wholesale distribution.
Manifest confirmed. Seal the shipment.
Ensure the habitat is fully prepared before opening this container. The temperature gradient must be exact for the transfer.
Understood, thank you.
He's all set. Just make sure the temperature stays consistent during travel.
Understood, thank you.
Ensuring the correct arid substrate and a secure hide is crucial for the western hognose snake's transition to its new home.
The standardized design of the Series 96 vivarium makes daily maintenance effortless, ensuring responsible long-term care for the juvenile hognose.
He's absolutely perfect. I can't believe how calm he is.
Through precision engineering and robotic automation, we achieve the highest quality specialized pet experience.